my channel. Today I'm going to do a very quick video, and this is going to be the unboxing of the Body Cupid Ultimate Collection box, as I have just received it and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So let's get started. So here is the very beautiful box of Ultimate Collection from Body Cupid, and the price of this is rupees 1986, and I will find out the purchase link and leave it in the description below, so that if you want to get your hands on this box, you can get one for yourself or your loved one, because this is the month of February, which is the month of love. So if you want to gift it to yourself or your loved one, definitely go for one box. And here is a very beautiful box, and there are 3 products in it, which is mentioned at the back. So here are the 3 products mentioned. The first one is a pink lotus shower gel, then is a perfume which is called Sweet Passion, and the third one is vanilla and almond milk extra moisturizing hand and body lotion with shea butter. So these are the 3 products, and it is packed with a plastic, so I'm going to unwrap it first. Now just open it, guys. Okay, so this is how the box looks, and on the top it says 3 luxurious experiences just for you. So this is really good as a gift, specifically a gift for this month, because February is the month of love. And this is the pink lotus shower gel, this is the Body Cupid luxury Sweet Passion perfume, and this is the vanilla and almond milk extra moisturizing hand and body lotion. So these are the three things that I've received. So these 3 are really good things, because I have already used the pink lotus shower gel. I haven't used these 2 things yet, but I have already used the Body Cupid Sweet Love perfume, which was very nice. So I will be trying out all these products and definitely doing a review. So wait for the reviews, and if you want to get your hands on, don't forget to check the link below, and I will be back with a new video soon. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon beside it, so that whenever I come up with new videos, you don't miss them. Till then, take care and keep subscribed. Bye.